Hello, welcome everyone. I'm going to show here how you start to animate text on Figma. First, what you're gonna do is about to type or duplicate your ticket. For example, I will start to type hello hi here and starting with duplicating it 1, 2. So as you can see, we can start to go into multiple frames. Okay, now what we're gonna slightly adjust position and opacity or size per frame. So I think that is about to know something to link those together, creating components, and this will be about this component right here to use inter okay union, maybe about, or maybe something that is about. Okay, let's see. Now we have started to make this frame, as you can see, intersect. Okay, but this is not actually the thing that we see. So maybe we're gonna start to know right now that intersect is really good as soon as it's over here to start to do after it. But I think we should add animation for text. So we have to go to plugins and widgets, text animation, and this will be about to give you a valuable thing through this, as you can see. And this will be about right now to start with this text. Select a frame. Okay, now you want to start to select a frame. As you can see, I go for this one, and here we are. Okay, so we're gonna start right now to see the text is really to be beyond that one, and this starting with here we are about to have to this frame, which is really beyond it, and we can export it, but it has a free trial. But okay, we can go with another plugins if you see, and that is all about.